did 2 coats of primer and 1 coat paint. I'm gonna do the second coat right now. I'm just using pure white semi-gloss paint, and then after that, after it's all done painted, we're gonna put I got this countertop painted. Turned out good. Now top to you the sink one.
Nick's going to paint all of the hardware and the vents and stuff from the truck camper and handles. So we sanded them down lightly. I wiped them all down, and he's gonna spray paint everything a black flat finish.
We got these vents and everything painted, spray painted black. It's dried out, so I'm gonna start putting this stuff on now. I'm really excited to start putting stuff together. And they turn out good. They used to be like brown and tan and stuff. We painted the hinges also. They look good. Yeah, we didn't paint this part here because that's where the cabinet's gonna go. You'll only see this part right here. And these are the little things that you press to open the cabinet. Everything turned out really nice. They used to all be brown before. Now they're all black. This is the back. That's how brown they used to be. So I tried to paint all the screws black, but some of them I forgot. So what you can do is use a permanent marker. I got this big one, it works the best, and just color the screw in. Try to paint all of them, but if you forget some or miss some, then you can do that. This is the painted heat vent. Looks good. That also used to be the light brown, painted black. Gonna install the fire extinguisher. Got the vent installed and got the fire extinguisher holder installed. I would definitely recommend painting. It's a really simple and cheap thing to do, and it makes a big difference. Looks so much nicer than the brown that used to be here before. Why? Looked up more, look down a little bit. Time to sand it off. Yeah, the tape's really dried out now because we started painting these cabinets in the summer, and then we had to do other stuff before it got cold outside, so we didn't have time to work on it. So this tape has been on for a couple months, and now it doesn't want to come off anymore. So I think this piece was, the people installed this towel thing by themselves, because the handle, you can, like, you're supposed to, like, get it from there, but you can't. And there's a little locking mechanism here, so I'm thinking of just getting rid of this handle completely. Plus, on this side, this whole thing is broken off, I just noticed, and I think they cut it off. And now, like, you can't really grab it either. So I'm thinking of just putting in some normal handles here and then put a little clip there to lock so it latches so it doesn't come open. And instead of buying the plastic one, I decided to buy this glass one. I got a low store. And yeah, I got this metal piece. It sells separately, but it's for these handles. And it actually covers up these holes because I only need one. So it covers it up perfectly. So yeah, it's gonna look nice. We thought it would look too big for this door, but it actually doesn't. It looks really nice. So this handle is not actually gonna open or close anything. It's just like a handle. Oh no, that's not good. Oh, come on. Looks really nice, but it's hitting this right here. Okay, maybe I'll trim off a piece right here or something. I'll see what I'm gonna do. So I ended up cutting out a little piece here for the handle to go through, and now it works. That's just the hinges creaking because of the new paint. But yeah, it doesn't hit it anymore. It doesn't look bad after it's closed. When the door's closed, you can't see it. And you know, like this is with the other handle. There's a metal piece mounted here where the handle's stuck on, so pretty much goes in the same spot. Yeah, I'm gonna paint it up the same paint as this. The door closes now. So I got the cabinet doors on. Start putting on the handles. These are the handles I'm going to be putting on. I actually bought these on sale. I found them at Lowe's. They used to be $4 each, and I got them for 24 cents each. So that's a really great deal. Me and Drill decided we're going to put them like in the middle like this. So now I have to measure and find the middle, drill some holes, 2 holes, and they screw in from the back. So it's 22 inches up there. How far apart the holes are? 8 centimeters. So 4 centimeters right here. So I'm gonna put a dot here and dot on 8. So you want to screw it in just enough so there's a little bit hanging out. Then you want to position your handle on there. So it starts going the handle. Okay, throw that on. Looks good. Got a few more to do. I got the handles on, got that one on, that one. Got that one on. Yeah, I would recommend, I actually end up cutting this out. Probably use a thicker cardboard, I just had this laying around here. So what I did was, I put the handle on like this, trace the top, and then I drill where the holes were and drill them, make sure they're good. And yeah, with this template, you just put it against the cabinet door, measure the height, and then you drill it. And I did the last one like this, and it came out great. Because that one, I messed it up a little bit. You can see underneath there. I'll just have to touch up with paint, so it's not a big deal, but yeah, I ended up making this template and it's so much easier. So
dry and stuff.